2011 you won PBZ Zagreb Indoors. This year, would you like to come back here as a winner?
Of course, I will try like 2011 to again take a trophy in my hands, but I know that it's very difficult because a lot of players are coming, very good players, and I think this year is going to be even more tougher than all other years, and it's going to be a big fight on court, I think, with all players. But like I said, all the players came here to win the title, and I will try to do my best.
Davis Cup, Croatia, Italy. Antoni and Marin told me that you are the biggest entertainer in the team. Is that true?
Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe if they say, okay, I can accept. But I mean, it's for us. It's also, like we have to have some kind of jokes before the matches, and we have to relax as well. So we are a great team. Like we are young players who support each other all the time, off the court, on the court, and we always like to relax before the matches, and that's something we have to also do, and to try to later. I think it's much easier for us to get much better on the court if we are relaxed off the court.
If you can choose to achieve any of your dreams, would you choose winning Davis Cup or some Grand Slam?
Tough question, but I think it's different between Davis Cup and Grand Slam, but I would like to win both, but it's gonna be tough for sure. Yeah, Davis Cup is something special because you're playing for your country and with your friends, and it's for sure it's something special. But on the same time, Grand Slam is something what is dream for every player, and yeah, I don't know what I would decide right now, but I would like to take both, but if not, then I will not decide which one.